Namaste. I'm Betty from Austria.
I'm Sabrina from the UK.
And we just did a 200-hour class at Vinyasa Yogashala.
And it was such a great experience being here in India, in the mountains, in the birthplace of yoga.
Yes. The classes were really intense, but we loved them.
Loved them.
A lot. So we had really great time. We did a lot of excursions. We went rafting, we went to a wedding, we had someone's first birthday. What else did we do?
We also saw a waterfall.
Oh yeah, we went to the waterfalls.
Which was really fun, and explored Rishikesh. There's so many lovely places around here.
And so many cows.
So many cows. And goats, and dogs, and cats.
Yes.
So if you like animals, it's the place for you.
Place to go. We really like the teachers though.
The teachers were phenomenal. Everyone really cared about the students and pushed people to be the best teacher that they could be. Yeah.
They have a really deep knowledge. They let us know a lot, and yeah, it's a really good experience. Not just for, you don't just learn how to do yoga activities. You have it for your body, mind, and soul. Like,
absolutely,
you get the full thing.
Yeah, and it really broadens your knowledge on what yoga is.
That too.
And encouraged me at least to continue learning, because this is the start of the journey, not the end.
It's not the ending, it's the bending.
The bending,
what they told us.
Yes.
And you don't do yoga on and off, you just do on.
You keep doing it. Consistency is the key. And shout out to Sadhuji, the yoga philosophy teacher. Forever my guru. We love you.
We love you. Thank you so much for everything. Goodbye.
Bye.